Now she ain't like, I don't give a fuck, I want bitches up, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, alright, whatever, like. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you like, comment, share, click the notification button. It's somewhere over here down there. Yeah, click that bell. So, finally, I told y'all guys I was going to give y'all story time. So,
But fix that.
So, yeah, I want to give y'all guys a quick story time because I got to be at work at 6 in the morning and it's now like literally 12 o'clock. So, this is a story time when these little ratchet ass bitches tried to almost jump me at the laundromat, and I said almost for a reason. Just do too much. Like, for what? Like, you really just have to fight. Like, especially when you have kids around, like, you're really corny. Like, what is wrong with you? Like disgusting. So, okay, it was around the time we had a hurricane in Jersey. I believe it was in 2012. Was it Hurricane Irene? I hope I'm right. After the hurricane, it was Sandy?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh gee, that even happened over here.
Okay, it was around the time when we had Hurricane Sandy. I believe it was around 2012. No, it was 2012.
Oh, okay.
At the time,
Okay.
at the time, my daughter was like 4 years old. But I'm gonna get to her later down the story.
Yeah,
so boom.
Best for last.
Damn, you know when a black person say boom, this shit about to get real. So boom. Me and my best friend, we was going to the laundromat, right? So it's me and my best friend, my daughter, and her daughter. So we're going to the laundromat, washing our clothes, you know, normal shit. So at the time, our daughters was 4. So they was running around the laundromat playing with some other kids. So we was doing our thing, washing clothes. Next thing I know, my daughter ran to me like, Mommy, these girls was being mean to me. And long story short, I guess the girl's mother or a person that was watching them, some ratchet chick, told them like, I'll be both of them bitches up. To the kids, mind you, to 4-year-old kids. I'm like, nah, ain't no way in hell. But at the same time, I know my child. My child not gonna lie about no shit like that. So I approached her, and I was on some nice shit. That's the crazy part. I was on some nice shit. Like, hey, I don't know what happened between the kids, but it was like you said something out the ordinary. So this bitch instantly got smart with me, automatic, like, oh, I ain't say that, and I beat you the fuck. Like, bitch, hold up. Like, first of all, it's no need for all of that. I came to you polite. I could have acted niggerish and got loud, but I didn't. I had my kids. Like, what the fuck I look like fighting with my child? So, long story short, she's talking smack. I get upset. I'm like, bitch, you lucky I have my kids. Like, I will beat you the fuck out in these streets. Don't get it fucked up because I got these fucking kids. That's why you talking all that shit. After that, everything ended. Still washing clothes, right? I would say maybe 10-15 minutes later, the girl comes back to the laundromat with some other chicks. Okay, what y'all want to do? Like that don't put fear in my heart. I've been jumped plenty of times. That shit ain't about nothing. So now she there with her little fake cousins, and then I see one of my homies come in. So like, hey, what up or whatever. Come to find out she knew the homie too. So I guess she told him what happened. I told him the situation. Mind you, it was the day before Thanksgiving, matter of fact. This happened the day before Thanksgiving. Because he was like, you know what? It's about to be the day of Thanksgiving. Ain't nobody need to be fighting. Cool. Like I said, I wasn't trying to fight because I have my kid. I'm thinking about my kid first. I'm not going to fight nobody. Like, you got to be a dumb ditty girl to fight with your kids. That's how you get your kids taken away. Anything can happen. All types of shit. Still not thinking about it. It's over. So now we're finished washing our clothes, right? She's still there with the little fake play cousins. And our homie came in. I don't want to give names. We're gonna call him Carlos. So Carlos came in. He was our dude. He's about to help us with the clothes, right? So it's me, my best friend, Carlos, and the kids. We're walking out with the carts. So Shorty came back like, Shorty play cousin was like, yeah, what happened? So now I'm saying the situation. Mind you, the play cousin acting like she's trying to, you know, solve the problem. So we chopping it up. Next thing I know, little ratchet shorty, she's still talking shit, right? So my friend was like, yo, bump it, yo, like, let's just go. We got the kids. It's not even working. Let's just walk away. So we was literally getting ready to walk away. So now the little ratchet chick came out, my best friend. Like, bitch, you could get it too if you want. And then my friend, like, just ripped her. Like, she like, girl, ain't nobody worried about you. Like, we're leaving. So it was a little crowd now. So the crowd laughed. And you know how when it's a crowd of people got to get, like, really, really amped. So my friend embarrassed her. So she got mad. So now she amped. Like, I don't give a fuck. I want bitches out. Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, all right, whatever. Like, I got the kids. So I'm really not trying to fight this girl. Like, I'm really not. If I didn't have my kids, it would have been on and popping. But I'm really not trying to fight this girl. Like, these are 4-year-old kids. We out in the street, son. Anything can happen. These kids can get hit by cars, all types of shit. Huh. I'm out of breath. So now, I remember I had some bleach in my hand. But it was my best friend bleach I was holding, right? So she still in. So shorty swung at me. Like, shorty really swung at me. I did that shit like, oh, she really trying to fight. So she tried to swing again. I'm like, yo, shorty ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna have to beat her ass. Next thing I know, we got it popping. Like, I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did. I don't know where the bleach went. I just started beating her ass. Like, I remember I was fucking this bitch up. Like, this bitch, I kept telling her, I don't want to fight. I will beat your ass. So now I'm beating this girl up, right? I'm here, girl. Hey, you know, I'm boo, 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 whatever. So, play cousin shorty that was trying to stop the fight, she jumps in and started hitting me from behind. Mind you, her hits must have been soft because I didn't even feel them. Because my friend had to tell me she jumped in it. Because when she jumped in it, my best friend jumped in and started beating her up. So now it's just a brawl. Like, then one of her niggas tried to jump in it. But I don't know what happened with that. So now, we in the middle of South Orange Avenue, mind you. Come to find out, my daughter, mind you, she was 4 years old at the time. She tried to run in the street and fight the girl. Oh. Carlos told me this. So Carlos had to grab her and hold her while I do what I had to do. Thank God he was there. Because like I said, we was in the middle of a busy street fighting. So now, I guess cops starting to come or whatever the case may be. My friend and the other chick still fighting. And there was a third chick with them too, but the third chick was kind of quiet. So the third chick tried to be slick and jump in, and then I grabbed her like, try it. And then she was just like, I don't want it. Because she saw how I beat her fucking friend. And after that, the fight was over. I guess, you know what? The moral of the story is, if somebody really don't want to fight you, you need to walk away. Because you don't know what the fuck that girl or that woman has in store for your ass. She had plenty of opportunity to walk away. Plenty. But she just had it act all tough. And ever since after that fight, mind you, that's the first time I ever seen that girl, and I never seen her in life again. And the next day, because I was mad, because I still wanted, like, round 2, because they tried to jump me. And at the time, at the laundromat, I was, like, cool with the people that worked there. They fucks with me. So I'm like, yo, can y'all, like, rewind that tape? And I was going to record it from my cell phone. So they rewinded the tape, because mind you, the fight was literally in front of the laundromat. So they rewind the tape. I wish I had the footage. Oh my God, this was in 2012. It was in an old cell phone that I had. I wish I had the footage to show you guys. And I just see me beating up the girl. I had like a old quick weave in my hair. You know when the quick weave get old and it start to loosen up. So she snatched off my quick weave. I was like, oh man, she snatched that shit off. That shit in the middle of the shit. I'm looking crazy, but I ain't even care. But it was so funny. I just see me beating her up, and I don't even see where my friend came from. Like, you don't even see her running to the other girl. She just magically appeared. Like, you just look up and she's there. Like, yo, where did you even come from? But ever since then, I never seen the girl again in life. And this happened in 2012. It's now 2019. So, yeah, that's my first story time, you guys. And I'm going to have plenty more because I do have a lot of crazy stories. What, story time?
Yeah, you said you had type of me or something.
No, I told him when you jumped in the fight.
Yeah, I remember that. I was trying to run away, but I remember somebody held onto my arm. Because I was like, I took like 3 steps and then you touched my arm.
What you was going to do, Naya?
I don't know. I was 4. I don't know.
I was 4.
I was mad.
So thank y'all. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Also, like, share, comment, click that notification bell. You know, it's right down. Click that bell so you can know when I have funny ass stories, because I have plenty more. And thanks again for watching, and bye.